Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. So you can see behind me we've got the R53. Now one of the things I noticed isn't online in terms of YouTube is how to fit an OMP lower strut brace. So this is a bit of a battered old one, but it'll still do the job. Like, the reason they get in this condition is they live right underneath the car. They get pelted with everything off the roads, whether it's the salt and everything, but they also pick dings up from going over speed bumps. But what's the point in this? It adds rigidity, so it goes in between the two halves of the chassis side to side, just behind the engine, and just adds that extra rigidity, just similar to a strut brace at the top. This adds it lower down. So it's really simple to fit. It's literally two 16mm bolts that already exist in the body. So all you're doing is undoing those, putting this in place, doing them back up, and it's fitted. So literally it's a 10-minute job if you include getting the car up in the air. So we'll get the R53 up in the air and just show you how to fit this. Obviously, as I said, just ignore the fact this is a bit crusty. This is actually going to come back off the car and go to be refurb. So we'll get this powder coated so it looks pretty and new. But for now, just to show you how to fit it, we'll jump under the car. So we'll get the car in the air first. Obviously, you've got your ways of doing that. I use quick jacks on mine. We'll get under and fit this. Okay, so here you can see the lower subframe at the front, and just behind here, so where the wishbones attach, got these 16mm bolts. So you've got one this side, so it's just if you look in line with your cat, not far off, and you've got one the other side. So all we're going to do is literally undo these 16mm and then put the brace in place. So let me set the camera down and then we'll show you it being fitted. Okay, so you just got to drop this bolt out. So as mentioned, that's a 16mm. So you just get your socket and drop that out. One. And all we do, we come the other end, and there's one just this end as well. Pull that out. Then all you do, strut brace in place. There's only one way this can go where it clears the subframe. If you try and fit it the wrong way around, you can see that hits. There's only one way to fit it. So we get our bolt through there and in. And what we'll do, just grab the socket first of all, and we get that in. That holds that in place. What we'll do, we'll go the other end and do the same. Okay, next all we do, put our 16mm back on and do those tight. Okay, and you can see now the brace comes down underneath the subframe, just joins there. So that's now fitted and in place. Okay, so that was a super quick and easy install. Obviously the hardest bit is getting the car up in the air. Once you're underneath, like you see, it's just 2 bolts to get that in place. Now obviously with anything in terms of bracing, it's all subjective, but when you read online, the one that people really say makes a difference out of all the bracing you could put on an R53 is that lower strut brace. I've had it on all of my R53s and I'd fully recommend it. So you can't see it. Once it's installed, it's under the car, so unless you're lying on the floor you won't be able to see it, but it's not there as a visual mod. It is there to actually add rigidity to that suspension and body. So if you found today's video useful, please hit that thumbs up button to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get alerts every time we upload new content. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.